There is a lot wrong with the Igbo nation, and I blame it on the men. Why is there to be patterned? What you will on her, she will bet into existence. Knife are the spiritually dead, and well on more. The trauma that the genocide did on us, emasculated and the Ikenga, the next generation of Aro. Imagine go to Queensu Corner and the Ikenga sequence represent here and vice versa. Hana Bolo churchios sisis ndị na-aba olu daddy Gio ndị na-adị enyezi mmụọ fan. Imagine Queens watching them letting the holy women that they should lead go astray, become renowned as monsters. Imagine Queens watching them pay huge amounts for always against their own mmụọ nke gị, your own mmụọ ka ị na-alụ against, fighting against. How much worse can your identity crisis get? Sometimes I'm hard on our parents' generation, maka more Igbo Jikan. The new colonialist design of the Biafran genocide to break the more of the most enterprising and illustrious people on earth. The plan was to try their best to kill all the grown men, as evidenced by e.g. the Asaba massacre, while also effectively breaking the more of the next generation, cowing the spirit of the next generation of Aro, of Ikenga, the leaders of tomorrow. And it was a hit. 60 years down the road, that generation are our parents now. I tell you, at the moment, I've been 18. Okay. One of them, man. Religion the neo-colonialist best weapon. Favorite Ngwaya had been doing its slow corrosion and erosion of our identity. But the extreme war and desolation certainly had a bleaching effect on the identity of our young teenage parents. So easy for them. But what are you if you suppress what you know? Imagine. Refuse to live in your truth because of what your parents will see. Nigeria tried as much as possible to exterminate the grown men, as evidenced by the underreported Asaba massacre. Imagine such a terrible thing, and it's not said, it's not reported, it's not taught in schools, guys. A lot of those grown men are us today. You didn't pussyfoot in your previous incarnation. Why are you growing a vagina now? Stop enabling vegetables to survive. If Mwafi Igbo, an Igbo man, a whole Ikenga, right? An Alusis or forebearer that he is, decides to make you his crutches, make him pay out of his nose. Yeah, I believe Belone enabled the neo-colonialists to cripple our society. Abuna go some expensive prosthetics. Activate more when going to work in the morning, and the god awful to help. Play Holy Ezumes on repeat, because serve as your God photo. Also, when you want to sleep, put Holy Ezumes on repeat. Keyword Chetan log me, tata.